you will see is Chriso transform a bathroom. You will learn heaps. This is going to be a real bathroom. I'm a real tiler. It's a real project. So real people sit up and take notice because you will learn. See ya. G'day everyone, it's Chriso. Now I've just taken out these 2 sheets of glass. They came out easy. The door just popped off. That went out into the skip. And then the fixed pane of glass, that was easy, just come out easy. I just found some safety glasses, but you'd have to close one eye. Anyway, look, this is what I talk about in a lot of my videos, and I'm always going on about get these bloody gloves on. I'm always talking about why I put glue on my tile, but the tiles are a lot bigger than this, yes, but this is a main reason. Now this has been done with mastic, and I know what these guys would have been doing. This is a home that what do you call it? A home builder builds heaps of them in the subdivision. Okay, so the tiling guys, they're doing it for a set price, and that price is shit anyway, but they're out to get the tiles up as quick as they can. Now they would have spread that whole wall with mastic like that, spread it all, and then pop them up. And nothing's stuck. I need to replace that sheet. I'll just cut straight up, straight across, same as this one. But I want to show you an example. Like, I won't be spending time taking these tiles off, but this is a prime example. Yeah, they have just slapped these up onto mastic glue, which mastic is good, but they would have come up too far. They probably did the whole wall or come up halfway, and it's real warm. The glue is skinning. They've stuck the tiles on, and it's all done quick, but the tile has not adhered to the glue. Look, ha! You know, that's crapolo. Crapolo. Anyway, I'm just going to run up there, take the whole sheet off. Or I'll go across there. Yeah, whatever. Anyway, yeah, that's just a prime example. This is Chriso. Subscribe to my channel. You will learn heaps. I'm putting in a nice big niche here. Nice big niche. The daughters have moved back into the house, and there's grandchildren and God knows what, so it's quite a house full. And when I came to price the job, there's wire baskets with shampoos and that in, and oh my God, it's everywhere. So when I do a nice niche for them and they chuck out the empty bottles of what they're not using, it will be quite organised then with a nice niche. Okay, we'll see you soon. This is Chriso. Don't forget to subscribe. Smash that like button and subscribe. See ya.